some dust. We're gonna be making scotcheroos. And it's gonna take probably less than 10 minutes. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Today, we're gonna be making another Midwest treat, which I think this is a Midwestern thing. If you've had these, once I say this, let me know in the comments if you don't live in some dust. If you don't live in the Midwest and you've had these, let me know. So, we're gonna be making scotcheroos. And it's gonna take probably less than 10 minutes. For sure. It's gonna take less than 10 minutes. It's super easy. It's no bake. Yeah, it's super easy and super delicious. And I think they originated in Iowa, which would explain why we used to get scotcheroos at the grocery store when we lived in Omaha, which is like right next to Iowa. So that would explain it. I have not had a scotcheroo since we lived in Nebraska. And I think I used to get them as a kid once in a while. Like I think maybe a parent would make them for a class. Maybe sometimes the school cooks would make them. I can't remember, but let me know if you're not from the Midwest and if you've had a scotcheroo. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling because it seems to be what I do. And we're just gonna get right into making these scotcheroos, okay? Okay, in this saucepan, I have it turned to medium low, and I'm gonna add this right here is a cup of white sugar, and I'm going to add 1 cup of regular creamy peanut butter. This is 2 cups, so I'm just gonna add half of it. I'm not going to measure because, you know, I'm just not going to. So, yes. Now, if you're allergic to peanuts, try almond butter. Try cashew butter. I don't love peanut butter, but when it's like mixed in with stuff, it's tolerable. So 1 cup white sugar, 1 cup smooth creamy peanut butter, and then 1 cup of just regular corn syrup. This is also a 2-cup container, so I'm just going to add half without actually measuring. Also, this is not healthy at all, which probably explains why I've like never made it before, but it's easy and it's fast and it's tasty. Okay, I'd say that's probably a cup. So, like I said, this is on medium-low heat. We're gonna mix this all together until it comes to a boil. Whoa, it would help if y'all could see. Huh. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix this together, and then as soon as it comes to a boil, I will show you the next step. Alright, so it is like just about to boil. There's definitely bubbles in it, and I do not want to burn this, so I'm gonna take it off the heat and I'll show you guys the next step. Okay, so in this bowl I have 6 cups of just regular Rice Krispie cereal, and I'm not sure how to do this. I'm gonna pour in my hot liquid and stir it up. Next thing we're gonna do is I have a 9x13 dish here, and it is pretty important to grease it with butter, because if you use nonstick spray, it will make your treats taste a little funky. So I prepared it with butter, and then all you do, hopefully I can show this, is dump out your mix. And then I'm gonna press it all down, kind of like Rice Krispie treats. All right, now that part's done, this is it. This is the last part. All you need is one 11 or 12 ounce bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips, which I opened kind of, but not enough to actually put into the bowl. So you're gonna want to put these in a microwave safe bowl. And then what makes it a scotcheroo is butterscotch chips. The recipe that I'm actually following says that they prefer the flavor of peanut butter chocolate chips, which, I mean, more power to you, but then it's not a scotcheroo. Like, do what you want, but that's not a scotcheroo. You know, it's a scotcheroo when it's butterscotch. But if you don't have butterscotch chips or you don't like it, then do peanut butter. So I'm gonna mix these together, and then I'm gonna pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna stir it, and I'm gonna do it for probably another 20 seconds and stir it, and so on until these get melted. So let's do that. After what seems like a million 20-second microwave intervals, I have my butterscotch and chocolate finally melted, and I'm just gonna pour it over the top and spread it around. Alright, now we're just gonna smear it around until it's like evenly coated, much like frosting a cake, which I am terrible at. That doesn't matter. So you're done. All that is left to do now is wait until this cools. You don't want to cut into it, obviously, while all the chocolate is runny. If it's cold outside where you live, pop it outside. Let it cool fast. Put it in your fridge, or just leave it on the counter. But that's it. That is the definitely like 10-minute delicious scotcheroo Midwestern treat. So I will probably be back with one more clip, obviously right after this, for you all. But it's gonna take a while, and I will have Jonathan try these to tell me if they're good or not. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in a little bit for Jonathan to try these. What?
My hair looks like poop.
It's okay. Oh no. Bye. Bye. Now I have to cut this part out. Okay, you can. Oh. It's been recording the whole time.
It's been recording the whole time?
Yeah. What, Calvin? Should I show Calvin? And our dirty window because of Calvin's nose mark.
Yeah, these are dangerous.
They are delicious.
Hasta step away now.
What? Jonathan's gotta finish chewing. They're chewy.
I said I feel like I need to step away now.
Oh, because they're so good. Yeah, I'll give some to our friends.
Yeah.
Because they're okay. Bye. Jonathan says bye. The next video is gonna be that chicken tortilla soup for sure. Okay. Okay. Bye.